G'day guys, Greg here. Now, here I am in the beautiful Tallebudgera Valley on the Gold Coast, and there's a place here called Tally Valley Seafoods. Now, my mate Smokey, he loves the fish burger from there, so I'm going to whip in today, try the fish burger, and, well, suss it out, see what it's like. So let's go get it. All right, here's the fish burger. $12 this cost. I saw them wrapping it up. This thing is massive. Check it out. Oh. Now, I think it was $12. I think it cost more because I got a few extras on it. Oh, gee, that's tough to get open. Here it is. Oh, mate. Oh my God. Have a look at the size of this thing. So I got cheese and bacon. There's 3 pieces of fish on there. And oh, look at the size of the beetroot, tomato. There's, well, that's tartare sauce, lettuce. God. This thing's massive. I don't know how I'm going to eat it. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this. Oh, nice bit of fish there. I think the fish is hokey. Man, this is just so big. I mean, 3 massive pieces of fish on there. God. I don't know if it even looks like a burger anymore, but that's probably the best thing about it so far. All right, let me try and figure out how I'm going to eat this. This is by far the biggest burger I think I've ever had in my life. It's like $14. Okay. I'll see how well I can dive into it. Let's go. Oh. Oh yeah. Mate. This is just crazy talk. I got the fish. They said it's hokey. Actually tastes all right. And the fish is crumb today, so yeah, something a little bit different. Right. This is so good. I think this is something, though, that you probably need to be sitting at a table with a couple of hand wipes. Maybe not in your car. But, yeah, the flavours of this is just really great. The fish is really nice, and all the stuff that is falling off. I mean, you could feed a whole family with this thing. It's massive. Well, there's like 4 bits of bacon on there too, with 3 bits of fish. It's just insane. It's so insane just how big this burger is. There's so much stuff on it. I hope they didn't go bankrupt when they made this for me. All the bits that are falling off into the paper there, I'm saving that for another meal. Mate, I'm really enjoying this. It's a little bit messy, but it just tastes so good. I think for the first time ever, I'm speechless. I just can't get over how big this is. No wonder Smokey goes there every day for lunch. This is massive. Now, you could easily just have one meal per day, and this could be it. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this now to know a score it's getting out of 10. Well, value-wise, $12, mate. This had 4 bits of bacon, 3 bits of fish, and then everything else on it. Mate, any other place would be charging $25 for this, so $12, mate, it's a steal. Flavour-wise, well, the fish is cooked really nicely. I love that crumbed fish on this. There's almost too much of it, though, and it's so big. It's just so tasty, and like all the flavours are really nice, and mate, you can taste everything on it, and oh, dude, it's just, what an awesome burger. The only downside is it's nearly impossible to eat. You probably want to keep it wrapped up in the paper they serve it in and just like take little bits of it at a time, because it can be a little bit messy. Best not to eat it in your car. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Tally Valley Seafoods fish burger, mate, this is getting a 10 out of 10. This thing is massive. The flavour of it's really great and all the good stuff on there. Probably should have gone the pineapple. I think I forgot that when I was ordering it, but oh mate, the whole burger is just insane. Really worth trying if you're ever down at Tallabudgera Valley. Mate, whip in there, tell them Greg sent you. They will have a clue. Because the owner's daughter was there, she said, "Grego," when I walked in, so they'll know. So if you do go there, say good day, drop in, try a fish burger. I'm going to have to go back for their fish and chips in another video, but awesome burger. Go and say good day. Plus, you're supporting a good old small business as well. Anyway, I'm going to sit here, finish this off, and I might go mushroom picking later on in that paddock over the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I ate a fish burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review